Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Carly and welcome to my YouTube family. I love to post videos on makeup tutorials, reviews, hauls and first impressions, and today's video is going to be a favourites video. It's going to be my January favourites beauty products for the month. This year has flown by so quickly already. I can't believe we're in February, so it's just crazy how fast the year's moving. There's quite a few products I was really loving throughout January. There was a lot of products that I'd purchased throughout December for Christmas and for a lot of the sales that companies were having for Black Friday in November. And the holidays is always a great time to buy products because companies come out with such amazing new collections. So I have really been loving some products from those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. So I think we might jump straight into this one. I've got quite a few products to talk about, so if you'd like to see my January beauty favourites, then please keep watching. Okay, first off is some skin products. The first product I'm going to talk about is from Too Faced, and this is the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I've been loving using this the past couple of months now, but especially this last month in January, I've just been grabbing for it quite a lot. I love that I can use it before any makeup to spray on as a primer, and then I can also use it once my makeup's finished to set it and hold it in place. And I just find it smells absolutely amazing. It's infused with coconut. It smells beautiful. It makes my skin feel refreshed, hydrated, and gives a really glowing effect with highlight products that are on the skin. So I've just been loving using this spray from Too Faced. The next product is from Farsali, and this is the Rose Gold Elixir. I absolutely love this product. It makes my skin feel so smooth, hydrated, replenished, moisturized, everything. I just absolutely love it. I wasn't a huge fan of beauty oils to begin with because I thought they were going to make my skin look really greasy and my makeup wouldn't sit as nice on it, but this one here is amazing. It just makes my skin look beautiful, really smooth before I apply foundation. All products that I use on top of my skin blend out really smoothly and beautifully on top, so this has been a lifesaver for me. I do have dry skin, so I'm all about anything that's going to hydrate and make my skin look more glowing and more refreshed, and this one definitely does that for me. Now next I have a few foundations to mention. I've purchased quite a few new foundations the last couple of months and I've been testing them all out. I fell in love with a few that I've been going back and forth between, so I thought I would mention them today. The first one is from Bobbi Brown, and this is the Skin Foundation. This has literally been my go-to foundation when I'm just wanting that very natural, more like a no makeup look, because it is a foundation, but it looks like just such a light veil of makeup on the skin. It just looks so beautiful. Almost looks like your skin, like you're just wearing the slightest amount of product to cover up any blemishes, but it looks so beautiful. You can still see your skin coming through it, which is what I like. I've been taking this with me if I've been on holiday anywhere. I really like the more lighter wear look when I'm on vacation. I don't want to worry about doing too much, so this one has been perfect for those occasions. The next one I have here is by YSL, and this is the All Hours Foundation. I love this foundation. I'm wearing it on my skin today. I just find it has the perfect blend of coverage. It's more medium, buildable to full coverage. It has a slightly more dewy finish on my skin, and the color matches me really nicely when I'm wearing a tan like right now. So this foundation just does everything I want it to do, and it's definitely been one of my favorites throughout January. And the third foundation I want to mention is by Jouer, and this is the Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. This is my go-to if I want full glam, high coverage, just maximum makeup. This is the one I'll go to because, like the name says, it is very high coverage. You only need to use the slightest amount of product and you just get full coverage everywhere. It looks amazing, yet it doesn't look cakey and it doesn't feel really heavy on the skin. It's quite a lightweight formula, but it covers amazing. So this has been my go-to one if I'm going to an event or going out at night and I want my makeup to last really well. This one has been my go-to for that. The next product I want to mention is by Smashbox, and this is the Contour Kit. I've literally been using this almost every day for my contour. I absolutely love it. It comes with 3 shades in here. So you have your highlight, the yellow banana tone, you have a bronzer and a contour. And this is the contour here I've been using non-stop. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. I just find it gives the most beautiful natural looking contour. It's more on the cooler tone, but it's not too ashy and it doesn't look too dark on my skin either, which is not what I like with a contour. So this one has been really nice. The formula is amazing. It blends out so easily on the skin. It doesn't ever look patchy. So this has definitely been my favorite contour product for the month of January. And then next we have this product here from Natasha. This is one of the Duo Glows in the shade Alba. I absolutely love this. First of all, the packaging is so beautiful. It's a really pretty pink peach tone with gold reflect through it. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today, and I use this when I just want that very subtle bit of glow on the cheeks. It just gives that really nice rosy look, and it just looks so flawless. It just looks so pretty. It gives a really nice sheen to the cheeks, and it just looks really natural. So this has been my go-to everyday sort of blush color, although it has a highlight mixed in it too. So you can definitely just wear this on its own, or you can put highlight with it as well. This next product I'm so excited to talk about. It's definitely become one of my holy grails and probably one of my favorite highlighters I've ever tried. It's by Ofra Cosmetics. This is the collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, and this is the Glow Goals highlighter. This has just become everything to me. I've been wearing this non-stop. I've got it on my cheeks today, down the center of my skin, and I just absolutely love it. It's that beautiful light gold champagne color, which is my absolute favorite with highlights. I just think it complements my skin really nicely when I'm both fair and when I have a tan, and this is just glowing to the gods. This is insanely pigmented, but it's really smooth on the skin. It doesn't show up any texture. It doesn't look chunky or anything like that. So this is definitely one of my favorite formulas for highlighters. I do love Ofra highlighters, but this one is definitely my favorite at the moment, and I've been wearing it non-stop throughout January. Okay, now for some eye products. I want to mention these two eyeshadow palettes that I've been using pretty much every day since I got them, and they are both from Morphe, and I absolutely love these palettes. I take them with me if I'm going traveling anywhere. I'll take one or the other depending on what kind of looks I want to do, and I just find they have everything I need in one palette. So the first one here is the 15D Day Slayer palette, and this is just my warm neutrals heaven in a palette, this one here. I absolutely love all the colors. There's such a great range of matte and shimmer shades. I can do so many different looks with this. And I really love all these beautiful warm orange tones. I've been really into those sort of colors recently, and so this one I've just been using so much. I took this on my vacation recently, and I was able to do so many different looks with it. So this has definitely been my favorite everyday natural look eyeshadow palette. And the next one here is the 15N. This is the Night Master palette. And this has got more of your cool tones, more of your berry purple colors, which I really like if I'm wanting to use a bit of color on the eyes. That's usually the colors I'll go for. This has been more of my go-to palette for more nighttime, more smoky eye looks. So I absolutely love all the colors in this palette. And you once again have a really good blend of mattes and shimmers. So these two palettes have been my favorites throughout the month of January. Next is a pair of lashes. I am wearing them on my eyes today, and they are from House of Lashes. These are the Demure Lights, and I'm in love with these lashes. They are fast becoming my favorites, as well as a few other lashes that I've mentioned. Huda Beauty and House of Lashes are my two favorite lash brands, but these are just so fluffy, so natural looking, and I find I can actually see the eyeshadow through the lashes on my eyes, which is quite important for me because I do have more hooded, smaller eyes. So these lashes just dress up any look, but they don't look too heavy and too full on me, which is what I like most about them. So I've really been loving these lashes recently. Next up is a few products from Colourpop. These are the new Supernova eyeshadows. I'm so in love with these, you guys. Like, I've used them in a video previously and I've talked about them before, and I just absolutely love these. I've been wearing them whenever I want to do more of a sparkly, glittery look. These are what I've been going for, and I just love the range of colors. I've got every single shade on the website, but these are just some of the ones I picked up that I really, really liked, and I love the formula. They're really nicely pigmented. They go on the eye really nicely when you apply it straight to the eye from the wand, and they just add that beautiful bit of shimmer to your eyes. So I've been really loving these. They come in so many different colors. Then we have Walk of Fame, which is a beautiful gold. Then we have this color called Firecracker, which is more of a mauve purple shade. And this beautiful copper color is called Hard to Impress. So these have just been everything. I absolutely love using them, and Colourpop has definitely killed it with these. Okay, now for some lip products. First of all, I want to mention some lip liners. These I purchased only about a month ago, but I've literally been using them anytime I've been wearing lip liner, and it's the ones by NYX. I absolutely love these. My two favorite shades are Soft Spoken, which is this more mauve pink tone, and then London, which is a beautiful nude peach color. These are so amazing. The formula is really good. They are so pigmented. They apply really nicely on the lips. You get a really nice full color. So I've just been loving using these with any lipstick that I've been wearing recently. And then also by NYX, I have the Lingerie liquid lipsticks. These, you guys, are so amazing. Not only are they really affordable from the drugstore, but they are incredible. I'm wearing one on my lips today. The pigmentation of these is amazing. Like, they're so opaque, so beautiful. They feel incredibly comfortable on my lips. I don't even feel like I'm wearing anything. That's how comfortable they are. They do dry down matte, but they do not feel dry or like my lips are crackly or anything like that. So I've been really loving the formula of these. The colour I'm wearing today is called Ruffle Trim, which is this beautiful mauve, soft, dusty pink shade. I've been really liking this colour. I've also been really liking is Cashmere Silk. I wore this in my previous video. This has been my go-to nude shade recently. If I want to go for a bit of colour, I've been really liking these berry tones. This one here is called Exotic. So love the formula of these. I love the colour and the finish. I just love everything about them. Then next I have a few lip products from Colourpop. This was the collaboration with iluvsarahii on YouTube and Instagram. And I absolutely love the colours that she chose in this collaboration, especially this middle one here. This is the lip gloss, and this one is called Atoli, and this is such a beautiful pink lip gloss with a golden reflect to it. It looks so beautiful. I've been wearing this on top of nude liquid lipsticks and it looks so beautiful, so I've been really enjoying this one. And then these two here, we have a matte colour, which is that really nice deep dusty mauve pink shade. I've been really liking this colour. And then this one here has been a really fun colour to use. It's more of a metallic berry tone, so if I'm wanting to do more of a bright lip, I'll go for something like this. And I once again love the formula of Colourpop. Their liquid lipsticks are so amazing. They are very similar to NYX in terms of the finish and the colour, the pigmentation, everything. So the affordable brands are really killing it with lip products recently. I've just been loving all of these. And the last two products I have to mention are from Fenty Beauty. And the first one here is the Gloss Bomb. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It's been my favourite lip gloss. I've been wearing it pretty much every day when I'm just doing really natural looking makeup or I'm just running down to the shops. I want to put something on my lips. This is what I'll go for, and it just looks beautiful. It's a really nice nude pink tone with a slight bit of shimmer to it, and it just looks so natural. It just makes your lips look nice and plump and juicy and gives them a tiny hint of colour, which is beautiful. And I've been loving wearing this either over the top of a lipstick or just on its own. So it's definitely one of my favourite lip products at the moment. And then lastly is also by Fenty Beauty. This is the Stunna lip paint. This one is called Uncensored. It's the beautiful bright red lip colour that Rihanna released, and I'm obsessed with it. This has been my go-to product if I want to do a red lip. Like, this is just the one I pick up. I absolutely love the formula. It's amazing. It's so lightweight. It feels quite liquidy, but it's so pigmented when you put it on the lips, and it dries down beautifully. It's nowhere near drying and really matte and just feels uncomfortable or makes your lips look really cracked or anything like that. It's a really, really nice formula. I'm hoping she's going to bring out more colours in this type of product, so fingers crossed for that, but I've been really loving this red to use throughout January. Okay, so those are all of the products in my January beauty favourites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for new videos coming very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.